Hi guys, so today it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna do a quick try-on review of the stuff that I got in this box. This is the illamasqua box from Look Fantastic. I have been wanting to try illamasqua for a really long time, but I just haven't, I guess. Illamasqua is more on the high-end side, but they do have really great quality. And I have seen an illamasqua shop in Somerset, I think, so I'm very excited to try everything out. I'm just getting ready to go out, so I was like, might as well film this video, right? So this is everything in that box. I've taken out all the cute little, you know, wrapping paper kind of thing. It also comes with a booklet with everything else, so this is not enough for me to have a full face, so I will chip in with my own products as and when needed. So first thing is the base. As you can tell, I'm not wearing any makeup. So this is the Veil Hydrator, which is a jelly-like moisturizer. It's really like a jelly. Wait, what? I kind of had to... It's really strange. It feels almost as if I'm putting on a mask. It feels kind of nice actually. Oh, and it sinks right into your skin. By the way, I'm not sponsored lah. I just say first, okay? Ah, I see. This is the mini Hydra Veil. It's illamasqua's fastest selling product and I can see why. And your skin is supposed to feel hydrated and revitalized by this lightweight, it is really very lightweight gel primer, adding longevity to your foundation. But I'm not wearing foundation today. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna put on concealer and I'm just gonna see if it creates a good base. It does create a really nice base. I was just gonna say, as a moisturizer, it didn't spread very well because like it just sunk into your skin so fast, but as a primer that makes sense. So I'm just gonna apply my concealer. This is from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me concealer. Just gonna like... This is a really great brush for like big strokes, but when it comes to like under my eye, I just prefer to pat it because I don't want to like have a big old brush in my eye. I like to also add concealer to brighten up my face. That's why I'm adding these so they like kind of pop more. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in my contour because this is a cream contour and I want to do that before I set everything with a powder. I got a new one in the box, which I'm very excited about, but I already have one. I think I got it in the Christmas Look Fantastic box. This is a mini gel sculpt in the shade Silhouette and I love it. It's so good. Okay, as you can see, right, it is very sheer. So it's very natural, but it's super blendable. It's super nice. And when you blend it, you honestly cannot tell. So I like to hit my jaw and I like to just like put a little bit. And the best thing about this is because it's so sheer, because it's so blendable, it's like a gelish kind of texture. So it's very forgiving. You can just kind of like anyhow brush it out and it can still look really natural. As opposed to like the other cream contours that are very harsh. You need to be super light-handed with it. You need to blend it really well for ages. As you can see, this one just goes right in and I love it. This will always be my first and favorite illamasqua product, like for sure. Some people also like to add it to the side of their temples, but I don't do that because I've got quite a small forehead, so I don't want to like, you know, make my forehead disappear entirely. I think it's coming up a lot darker because of the light. It's so chill and I just like to run the sides of my brush. Honestly, I don't know if it does anything. It probably doesn't because there's not much on the brush. I just like to create the shadow that we erased because of the concealer. So that's the contour done and basically that's all I use for my face. I'm just gonna set my entire face with powder. This is from Innisfree. It's a no sebum powder. It's very cheap, very good. I just like to very lightly dust it over, kind of pat it down before knocking off the excess. Alright, so that's the base done and I'm just gonna very quickly fill in my brows. I'm using the Anastasia's Brow Wiz in dark brown. See the world of a difference an eyebrow makes? Oh my god. So that's my brows done and then I'm gonna move into eyeshadow now. I do have an eye palette. It's right here. It's been the one that I've been using as a mirror and they are gorgeous. I'm just gonna block this because like the lights are gonna be in your face. Here it is. I'm gonna take the highlighting color and I'm just gonna pop it under my brow. Girl, instead of leaning in, I just need to remember to zoom in. Ooh, girl. And then here. I really like the effect that it brings. Doing this brings in so much light into your eyes, it's crazy. And then just for lols, gonna run it here as well. I'm gonna go in with this color now, very quickly, to just kind of darken up my crease. Just very, very, very lightly brushing it on. I use this color right now to just dab on like the front of my eye. Just a little bit. I like to do that because it's just a very nice subtle kind of pop. And I just kind of blend it with my fingers just to create a really soft wash. Okay, last but not least, I'm gonna hit that black and I'm gonna run it on my bottom lash line, but just on the outer corners. It's very, very thin. It's quite soft as well. Alright, so that's the eyeshadow done. We're gonna move on to the gel liner, which is also one of illamasqua's most famous products. Look at the brush. I'm gonna test it out as well. Might as well, right? Does it say anything interesting? Apparently, it's supposed to glide onto your skin like a liquid and stay like a gel. And if you guys don't know, the gel liners are one of the most long-lasting eyeliners. Smudge-proof, waterproof, usually, sometimes, So I'm gonna try it out. Ooh. You know I love it when it's new and I just get to dig into it. Oh shit, it's really... Oh wow, this brush is really stiff. Are y'all ready? I'm ready. I'm scared. I'm so nervous. So I test it on the back of my hand and then I'm going in. Okay. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, that was not so difficult. I'm actually surprised with how thin of a line I can get with this. Cool. Oh, I like it. Dang, son. Okay, I'm gonna go for the next one. It was way easier than using a liquid eyeliner. I don't know why I was so freaked out. I think it's the brush. Oh, they're even. Oh shit. This marks my first attempt and I'm actually really happy. Oh wow. Okay, to seal this all in, I'm gonna use the mini mascara. This is the Raven and it's smudge proof, blacker than black, and yeah, extra volume. Cool. Okay. So as you can tell probably from right now, I only have like 2 strands of eyelash extensions, so I definitely need mascara. I like mini mascaras because they expire really quickly and I just like to have a small one to kind of bring around. So I'm just gonna apply them now. It's not clumping at all. I don't see the extra volume, but maybe I just have to build it up. As you can tell from this eye, I'm not super blown away by it, but it really doesn't clump and it does a good job at lengthening, I think. Most of all, it just looks very clean and natural. So if you're one for very clean, natural lashes, you'll like this. It's just that I like mine a lot more dramatic because I'm very used to like having the big lashes. Alright, so that is the eyes, and you can tell as time is passing that my hair is slowly drying, don't mind it. I am gonna go in with blush now. So this is the powder blush duo in Lover and Hussy. I don't know if this is Lover or this is Lover, but I'm gonna go with this color. Tap it in. Oh, it's very bright lah. Oh, good idea. It's probably a good thing for me to... Can you see it? I'm gonna actually pull my hair back and then run it down the sides just because I think with it being so bright, I just needed it to very gently fade. Final step, this is the illamasqua lipstick in Bare. It is a nude pink, kind of like a chocolate pink, which honestly is kind of my lip color anyway, so I'm very excited for it to look like very bare and very natural. So I am pretty excited about the formula. I do have another lipstick. It's like a marble kind of reddish pink rose color, so I'm excited to try the nude. Oh, it's bright. But it is in my family color. Unfortunately, I'm not in the habit of reapplying my lipstick, so if this wears off, this wears off. I'm just gonna be putting on lip balm after that. But I do like the color, especially with the blush. The formula is not actually very creamy, but it's very spreadable. I was worried because I was going in, I was like, oh, it's a little bit more waxy, but it does well with the one swipe though, you know, so it's actually pretty spreadable, and then it just kind of stays put on your lips. I don't feel like I have to set it, I don't feel like I have to do anything with it. It's just kind of hanging out on my lips. It was pretty easy to apply, and this color is something that I haven't gone to in a while, so I'm just kind of like, ooh, throwback, because I used to wear this a lot like last year. So I'm just gonna take out my clip. The top of my hair is still a little bit wet. Don't mind it. So this is my face, and this is how I look after trying all of the illamasqua products. I will leave links of all of the products and Look Fantastic down below in the description bar, so go and do your clicking. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to click the thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, and don't forget to also turn on your notifications because I just kind of like post them randomly throughout the week. So yeah, I will see you guys really soon. Bye!